Today, we are going to put a fairy in our game, and this fairy is going to play magic. Hello, tech boys, tech girls. Let's start. First, let's start Scratch Junior. Tap on Home. Tap on Plus to create a new project. Now let's think about where do we want this to happen. Okay, let's tap on Picture, see which one you want to choose. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. I want all this to happen in the woods. Tap on Tick. Okay, I'm going to need a fairy, so tap on Plus. Oh, my fairy is here. Tap on Fairy, tap on Tick. Then we have the fairy. Now we don't need a cat anymore. We can tap on the cat, long tap. See the cross? Tap on cross. The cat is gone. We also need a castle, so tap on plus. Let's find a castle. Oh, you can also create an igloo. Okay, so I'll choose this castle. Tap on tick. I want the castle here. I want the fairy to be in the air. Castle to be here. The castle is a bit big. So remember how to make it smaller? Tap on the purple man. And this is to make it smaller. So tap, smaller, tap, smaller. I want the fairy to be smaller as well. So I'll tap on fairy. And drag this one to make it smaller. So tap, smaller, tap, smaller. Okay. So let's think about it. I want the fairy to move in the air, then the castle will appear. So now we are at the fairy. Tap on the yellow button, green flag. So when green flag happens, when green flag is tapped, we want the fairy to appear and then jump in the air and show us the castle. Okay, so before green flag, we need to make the fairy disappear. And look at this one. This is to make something disappear. So drag it down. If I tap, look at the fairy. If I tap on this button, the fairy will be gone. See? Okay, so the fairy disappears. And when we tap on the green button, we want the fairy to appear. This is to appear. So I'll put it here. Now let's try first. If I tap on the green flag now, fairy appears. Then I want the fairy to jump in the air. So any movement is the blue button. Tap on blue button. Okay, I want this one. Remember this one? This is to jump up and then come back. I want to do it 3 times. Now let's try. First, before I start the game, I want the fairy to disappear. Now tap on the green flag, see what happens. Ooh, the fairy is like popping in the air. Okay, now we need to make the castle appear. Tap on the castle. So we don't have anything for castle yet. Okay, before we start the game, we need the castle to disappear. So similarly, tap on the purple man, disappear. Tap, castle disappears. Okay, so tap on the yellow button. When this green flag is tapped, we want the castle to appear. But the castle can only appear after the fairy pops in the air. So we need to wait for some time. Where is wait? I think it's orange color. Tap on orange. See the first one? It's like a clock. Right? Put a clock here. This is meaning I'll wait for some time. Okay, this is not 10 seconds. This is actually only 1 second. It's 10, it's like 10 units, but it's very short. So I want to make it longer. Tap on the 10. I'll change 10 to 25. After 25, I want the castle to appear. How to make it appear? Tap on the purple man. This is appear. So now let's try. If I tap the green flag now, wait for the castle to appear. So the castle appears. Now we have done the code for both the fairy and the castle. And we want to test the whole game. Do you remember how to test the whole game? If we want to test the whole game, we need to tap on this green flag. Before we start the game, we need to make the fairy and the castle disappear. So now it's the castle. Tap on this button. It will disappear. Now go to fairy. Tap on this button as well. Fairy also disappears. Okay, now we can test our game. Let's make the screen bigger. Now I'm going to tap the green flag. See what happens. Fairy appears, pops in the air, and then castle appears. Okay, so now let's go back. And we want to save this with a name. Instead of Project 4, I will call it Fairy and Castle. Okay, so tap on tick. We have our game here. Go back to home. See, this is the game we just created. Okay, I'll see you next time.